Hello dear traders, you are watching Economic Calendar prepared for you by InstаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. Early next week, traders will keep an eye on the following macroeconomic releases. On Tuesday, the Reserve Bank of Australia will announce its key interest rate decision for May. Markets do not expect any change in the cash rate of 1.5%. At the previous meeting, the Central Bank of Australia stood pat on its benchmark interest rate of 1.50% in line with expectations. The cash rate has been kept unchanged for 8 months in a row. The bank reported that the country is still experiencing an economic turn from the mining boom. Last year, export and corporate investments in other economic sectors were actively expanding. Commodities rose in price on the back of the improved situation in the global economy. The economy of China, Australia's major trading partner, keeps advancing and its growth rate exceeds the economic growth in other countries, including Australia. Meanwhile, Donald Trump's protectionist policy and the Fed's monetary tightening pose risks to the Australian economy because of possible deterioration of relations with Japan and China. Besides, the surging US dollar has a negative impact on commodity prices, which are the main item of export in Australia. Next Wednesday, the ADP will report on the non-farm employment change in the United States in April. Last month, the US non-farm payrolls jumped to a seasonally adjusted 263,000, excluding dynamics in the public sector. This is the highest reading since December 2014. Economists had projected that the US economy would generate around 170,000 new vacancies in March, in comparison with an increase of 245,000 in the previous month. In addition, the US Federal Reserve will announce its funds rate decision for May on Wednesday. In March, the Fed increased the key interest rate for the second time in the last 3 months. The rate was raised by 25 basis points up to the range of 0.75%. 1%. The US labor market grows stronger while economic activity continues to develop at a moderate pace. Janet Yellen said that now the Fed preferred to take soft measures as the rate of the US economic expansion is quite unstable. The regulator will have enough time to adjust the monetary policy depending on whether Trump and the US Congress will reduce taxes on increased government spending on infrastructure. For now, the Fed's plans to follow the same course adopted earlier. On top of these events, investors will focus on the following statistics. On Monday, the United States will unveil the manufacturing PMI and the personal spending data. On Tuesday, the manufacturing PMI report will see the light of day in the United Kingdom and China. Besides, the EU unemployment data will be published. On Wednesday, New Zealand and Germany will deliver the reports on employment change and unemployment rates, while the European Union will release the GDP data. You have watched Economic Calendar on InstаФорекс TV channel. Good luck!